In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the appearance of your Mailchimp landing pages by adding a personalized background image. This simple customization can significantly elevate the aesthetic appeal and engagement level of your content. So let's dive right into the process and make your landing pages shine. First, you'll want to go ahead and open your preferred web browser and head over to Mailchimp's website. This is where all the magic happens, and it's where you'll be able to access all of your campaigns and landing pages. Once you've navigated to Mailchimp and logged in using your account credentials, you should be taken to the dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the tab labeled Campaigns. This section houses your email campaigns, drafts, and crucially, the landing pages you may have already designed or are in the process of tweaking. Once you're in the campaign section, search for the specific landing page you'd like to edit and give it a click. This will redirect you to the editing interface where you can see all the components and elements of your page neatly laid out. It's a great idea to have a vision for your background image before you start this process. Consider the theme and overall design you're going for, ensuring that your image complements the message and feel of your content. Now let's get to the creative part. Look to the right side of the page for a tab or menu called Style. Once you're there, scroll until you find the option labeled Body. This section is where you'll be able to customize the background. Within this option, there should be a sub-menu or button called Body Interior Style. Click on that and then look for a feature that says Add an image instead. Clicking on this will allow you to upload an image from your computer. When you choose an image, make sure it's high resolution and fits the dimensions of your landing page. This will prevent it from looking stretched or pixelated, enhancing the overall professional look of your page. Once your image is uploaded, take a moment to review how it looks on the page preview. Adjustments might be necessary, maybe tweaking the alignment or brightness to ensure your text remains legible against the new backdrop. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully added a customized background to your landing page, creating a more inviting and visually appealing experience for your audience. Remember, a beautiful landing page can make all the difference in capturing the attention of your visitors. So feel free to experiment with different images and styles until you find the perfect match. Thanks for watching and happy designing.